Hello guys, you're watching Sci-Fi Gen, your daily dose of tech. Today we gonna unbox Infocus Hero B1. So without much further ado, let's unbox it now. Here Infocus B1 is a dual SIM feature phone, comes with a 2.4-inch display, supports microSD card up to 32GB and has camera with dual LED flash. Built-in FM radio is here, but it's not wireless. You need to connect your earphones first, then only you can use FM radio. Infocus comes with a micro USB port for charging purpose. The USB of this device is its massive 3000 mAh battery powering up this device. Moreover, it's equipped with 3 LED flashlight. You get camera with dual LED flash. Hands-free phone calls is also here. As you can see, LED flashlight is pretty bright. Infocus is offering 100 days replacement policy for this handset. This is the best budget phone you can get with extraordinary battery and with lots of features.